Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to create a super slick social media post from jewelrybox.ai in seconds and schedule it. So here we are in the back end of the marketing tab where you're connecting Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you want to do. So for right now, I just decided to do a Facebook post. So first thing I do is use prompt. If you guys don't know what this is yet, when you start working with us, you will. This saves you time and money and headache in a scale that it's hard to comprehend at certain times. So let's say I want to do a Father's Day campaign for Rolex. And I want to do it right here. Just go back. So I can see I have a lot of different things connected here. So I'll go to new post. There's a planner. There's a whole bunch of cool stuff in here, but I'm just going to focus on this for now. So let's just pick one. Let's say I don't feel like writing today. I want to have AI do it. Put that prompt in. You would just put your company name in and your location and all the details of your offer. I like to do 24% off Father's Day for 24 hours promotion. Okay. I'll add keywords. You can do that yourself, whatever you want. The lines you're carrying. Let's just use Rolex for fun right now. Shout out to them. It's Father's Day. Let's be funny. I want to pick how many variations of these posts you want. You can. You can even pick how long you want it. I go with medium. Yeah. Can't begin with a letter. That's true. Let's do Father's Day. 24% off select watches for 24 hours. Pretty good promo. All right, moving right along. It generates it. While that's working, I can be over here. There is an image generator, but I like to use a series of both. So I could do one right here for you. All of these are just outstanding. You obviously got to read through them, but for time's sake right now, we'll just pick this one and I'll continue. Boom, that post is written faster, not only quicker, but 9 times out of 10, a whole lot better than if you or I would have wrote it, or a professional copywriter for that matter. So the post is done. Let's say, hey, I don't want to do an image today. All right. Well, we can pick one from our media library, which I just generated this using AI. Or if I wanted, I can actually have AI create one. And what I would do is click here, create image using AI. I don't like this one. Let's put it in. Let's not do that. Let's see what it comes up with when it generates its own. Right here. You also have the opportunity to do it right here in ChatGPT. So usually when one thing's working, I'm working the other ones. And I'm just picking the fastest and best one that I can. So, as both of those are working, pretty dang good. So, there you have it. I kind of like this one. You could post multiple of them, as you can see here. Now I can go straight into here. I can schedule it. I can send it off for approval. But let's just go ahead and schedule it for tomorrow. I can schedule the time. And there it is. Post is done. Voila, in under 5 minutes. Completely AI generated.